Is your garbage disposal clogged and refusing to work? You're not alone. A clogged garbage disposal is one of the most common kitchen issues homeowners face. At DrainPro, we want you to know that trying to fix a garbage disposal yourself can be risky. Food debris, grease, or foreign objects can block the disposal drain and cause serious damage if not handled properly. While you might find quick DIY tricks online, many of them can make the problem worse. Using the wrong tools or forcing the disposal to run can damage the motor and even require a full replacement. Our expert plumbing team at DrainPro has the right tools and experience to safely unclog your garbage disposal, repair damaged parts, and keep your kitchen sink running smoothly. Instead of stressing over a clogged garbage disposal, call DrainPro. We're here to provide fast, reliable service that restores your kitchen and prevents bigger plumbing problems down the road.